Ayo boss, and welcome back. Today, Chef is going to share a delicious, simple side dish. He's going to show us how to make some homemade garlic bread. Most of the ingredients you probably have right in your kitchen as we speak. So we think you're going to love this one. Let's go ahead and get cooking. Yes, Chef, it's not just garlic and bread. We actually need a few more things. Enough joking around, Chef. So, the first thing Chef did was picked up some Italian bread, and he said you can use whatever kind of bread you would like. And he's going to start off by cutting the pieces in advance. So just go ahead and cut your bread into nice strips like this. And in the end, it'll look just like this, all cut up and lined. Chef's going to go ahead and put these on a cookie sheet with a grate. If you don't have a grated cookie sheet, that's okay. You could just use an oven-safe cooking pan just like this. Alright, so next up, Chef's going to get his fresh parsley chopped up. Looks like he's got some new tools in the kitchen. Little chopping scoop there. Once the parsley is pretty chopped up, you can finally chop it up with a knife like Chef's doing now. And then just place this aside. In a medium-sized bowl, you're going to start off with a little bit of olive oil and some soft butter. Next up, you're going to add your crushed or chopped garlic. And then that nicely fresh chopped parsley. Go ahead now with a fork, just kind of start to mash and smooth it all around. You don't want this to be too liquidy. That's why you're using soft butter, not melted. You want it to be a paste. And then you can whisk it just like so. Okay, so now with a brush, just go ahead and brush that nice paste right onto the bread. And you can use other seasonings if you like. And don't forget, the ingredients we used will be down below. So there you go. There's a great little picture of everything. They're all buttered up. And now a couple final touches. Chef's going to, again, now just add a little bit of salt to each piece. And then he's going to sprinkle some shredded Parmesan cheese on top. Okay, here's what they look like afterwards. Chef's going to now preheat his oven to 425 degrees. Place those right in. And these are going to cook for about 10 minutes. But just watch them. So after about 10 minutes, they're going to be nice and cooked in, golden brown. They look delicious. You can either serve them like this, or you can heat it up to broil. And as you can see, about another 5 or so minutes under broil, kind of crisp them up. So that's your choice. So Chef did the broil technique a little bit longer, and they have a nice, beautiful golden brown edge, nice crunch, and a buttery garlic taste. These were delicious, and again, so simple. We do hope you try this recipe next time. You know you're going to have you need a side dish for garlic bread, or just cook it up and eat it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and share this if you really enjoyed it. Thanks again. Cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.